Hi everyone, welcome back. Oh my god, look at my hair. I'm a state. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get acrylic nails at home. I have mine super short, but it is completely up to you how you have yours, and I love them so much. My sister normally does them, but when she doesn't do them, this is what I do because I can't live without having anything on my nails. This does not want to go behind my ear. Like, are you okay, hon? So yeah, if you want to see how to create really easy acrylic nails at home, you will need a lot of time though, I'm just saying, then please keep watching. Go back behind my ear. So here is the before. So disgusting and gross, and then here is the lovely after. Now I bought this kit from Kiss. It is from Superdrug. I did buy it myself. This video is not sponsored, although I wish it was, because it is such a good do at home kit. There is instructions inside, but I just thought I would come on here and show you guys how I do it myself when I do it. So you get tips. There's two different styles. There's white, and then there's just normal clear ones like these. So the first thing to do is sort of measure up your nails, and then when you've got that, you're just going to use their glue and then glue on the tips. They last for ages, honestly. These nails, I've bought this kit before when I do it myself, and it's honestly so good. So all you're going to do is just glue on the tips of your nails, and you wouldn't think the glue would actually stick that well, but it is so sticky, so you need to be careful where you're sticking it. Try to do it as straight as possible. I've done it at an angle before and it's not a big deal-ish, but try and do it straight. So yeah, just try and glue it on. Make sure your natural nails are as short as possible, because it'll just look a lot better and they'll just last longer, and then they'll stick longer as well. So as you can see, I'm just speeding the process up because I thought it'd be boring. I'm then going to use some nail clippers and then just trim down how short or long I want my nails. Now I'm not one for long nails. For me, I don't think they're practical. I do prefer them, but they don't last on me at all. They'll snap off. I'm constantly doing stuff. I'm really rough in my hands, so it's just not ideal for me. But you can have them long. It's completely up to you. So as you can see, I'm trimming them down quite short. You may think, why are you getting acrylics? But I like them to all look exactly the same. And my actual nails aren't completely strong, so these really help with the strengthens and all of that kind of stuff. I'm then using the file that comes in the kit to just file my nails. And then once I like the shape of them, I'm going to use the acrylic liquid and powder that it comes with. It's so easy to use. I'm not going to lie, it does smell like you're in a nail salon. That is proper smelly. It's a bit like, woo! But it is really good, and it strengthens your nails so well. You just need a steady hand for this job, because obviously it's acrylic and it dries very quickly, so you don't want it to go here, there and everywhere. So just make sure you're as neat as possible. It doesn't look as neat here, but I promise you it does look neat at the end. And if you're not neat, then ask a friend to do it or something. I'm then going to use gel polish. I think this is from Madam Glam. I think that's where I got my gel polish from, but I'll leave it for you guys down below in the description. It's just any sort of gel. You can use just normal nail varnish, but I think gel lasts longer on my nails. So I'm just going to use some gel polish for my nails as well. And then here is the finished result. It's so easy. I did add glitter on one of my nails. It's honestly so easy to do, and you can do it however you like it. So I do prefer it in a way if you want more of a cheap alternative. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!